Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to enter eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's find and select display and brightness. And here let's choose eye comfort. Click on this and as you can see here we've got some options to customize. First of all, you can set always on, so the eye comfort mode will be always activated. And as you can see, after tapping on this, we can adjust the color temperature from cooler to warmer. What's more, we can also schedule that time. For example, we can start the eye comfort mode at 9 and end at 6, for example. To turn off the scheduled time, simply click on the switcher. So that's all. This is how you get into night mode settings. But if you want to have faster access to that mode, simply unroll the top bar and let's find the eye comfort icon. To turn it on, simply click on this and as you can see now the screen turns a little yellowish. If you want to turn it off, simply click on this again. So that's all. This is how you set eye comfort mode in REALME C15. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.